Hello, this is Not the End Crochet. How y'all doing this afternoon? I'm going to show you my latest 2 hauls from Walmart. This is Walmart that I frequent in a town to the left of me. They're the one that you see me at all the time. They have a huge yarn section, but it's always to all the pieces. But if I know specifically what I'm looking for, I usually can find what I'm looking for. So let's get started with this. I've been seeing a lot of black and white crochet, either mixed together or in checks or some form or another. And because everybody's crazy about the Wednesday show on Netflix. Yes. And they have her in all these black and white or black and white crochet sweaters. What's that one thing she had on? A snood. And it was very pretty, very pretty. And I'm a really big fan of the black and white combination. All through my life, I've worn black and white outfits, houndstooth, suits, and all kinds of things. What I decided to do is to either make a crochet houndstooth outfit or a black and white granny squirrel coat. Hadn't decided yet which one, but to get my juices going, I went on ahead and got the yarn. This is the yarn I decided to use. Mainstay 100% acrylic, 798 yards, 14 ounces. It's categorized as a medium 4. The hook recommendation is a 5.5. So, and the color is pretty much self-explanatory, white. Now, I knew I'm going to need enough to make the coat or the suit. So, I got 3 of those. And then, can't have the white without the black. Same specifications, one difference is the color is black. I got 1, 2, 3. All these were bought on the 10th. I just really had forgotten and didn't do a yarn haul, but there it is. Ta-da! We have to wait and see whatever my brain shoots out, because right now I'm really concentrating on my Hexagon Cardigan. So we'll see what happens with this later on. My Hexagon Cardigan, I got plenty enough Aran fleck for the majority of the cardigan, but I needed some brown. So I popped over in that same Walmart and had to get some more cafe. Now I figure I'm going to need at least a couple of these for that 1, 2, how much weight? I didn't give any specifics on this, did I? Yeah. And it was on sale. They had rolled back prices on their Red Heart for $3.32 for Super Saver. So I said, okie dokie. Medium 4 recommends a 5.5 hook. Do we have that? And I saw some other colors that I didn't think that I had in my stash. And like I said, it was $3.32 a skein. So can't really pass that up. And what is this called? This is just called blue. And I might or might not have this. I'm not sure. I think I might have something close to it. I don't know. Don't matter. And I got this. Lemon. And ever since I got it, I've been craving lemon cookies. I'm gonna have to make them. I got the stuff sitting out to make them. But all that is Super Saver. And those are my latest buys, hauls from Walmart.